Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to compose and send an email in Outlook. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. This will load all your emails and give you access to your inbox and all the email tools you need to start composing messages. Once your emails have fully loaded and you can see your inbox, look toward the top left part of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New Email. Go ahead and click on this button. This is your starting point for creating any new message in Outlook, and it opens up the email composition window where you'll be able to write and configure your entire email. After clicking New Email, a clean email composition window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll type the message you want to send. Take your time here and write out whatever you need to communicate. Once you finish typing your message, direct your attention to the top part of the composition window. You'll notice a field labeled To. This is where you'll enter the email address of the person you want to send this message to. Simply click inside the To field and type in their email address. If you're sending the email to multiple people, you can add additional addresses by separating them with a semicolon or comma. Right below or next to the To field, you'll see another field labeled Subject. This is where you'll type a brief description of what your email is about. Adding a clear subject line helps your recipient understand the purpose of your email before they even open it, so make sure it's descriptive and to the point. Once you've entered the recipient's email address, added your subject line, and written your message, everything is ready to go. Now, look at the top left corner of the composition window where you'll see a button that says Send. Click on this button and your email will be sent immediately to the recipient. Outlook will move the message to your Sent folder and the recipient will receive it in their inbox, and that's it. You've successfully composed and sent an email in Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.